What's up, y'all? In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys, how to return the items and how to get your refund back. And it depends what type of items you bought from Temu, and that's how you get your refund back. Other than that, if you really want to help to return them, here is how to do it, and I'll show you guys how to. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to it. All right, so what you want to do now, you want to go ahead and open up your Temu app, of course, okay? All right, so when you open up your Temu app, you're going to be right here, of course, all right? So now you're going to want to go ahead and click to your personal icon, go to your order. Of course, you're going to be here. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click go away, choose whatever delivery you want to get. I had this delivery package in the mail like 3 days ago. Now, I just want to return it or refund my money back. So, I don't know if it's going to work it because it's a small item. So, I'm going to go ahead and just try it. Have you received yes? And then click on it, choose reason. Better price, confirm, select the second one, and better price available, and just click next step. Better price, one quantity, better price. What? One. All right, next. So that's that. So you're gonna want to click next, and from here, as you see, they don't you don't actually have to return. If I return this, they're just gonna give me my money straight, but I don't want to do that right now. Let's go ahead and try a different item. Let's try these. Yes. Let's see these. Better price. So for these AirPods, if I want to return them, of course, only one quantity. Better price. Now I just need to click next for one product, and as you see here, amount refund will be $40. So click next. So sometimes you see if you bought a lot of stuff and you want to return almost all your stuff, they will have you guys to print out a shipping label. You print out shipping label, and then after that, you're just gonna have to take the shipping label and put it on the items, and you drop off on any UPS. It's neither UPS or post office, and then that goes towards to them. So basically, it basically depends on if you buy a lot of products, and if you buy a lot of them, I suggest you to return like each individual at once, not like all products are like at once. Just do one at a time, so that way maybe like 2 or 3. They might just refund you for your money back. They don't want the product you to ship it back to them. But other than that, that would be it for the video. No, this video wasn't that long, but drop a like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new, and go ahead and comment what type of video you guys want to see next. Temu, either about Temu or other thing else, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.